Here's a command line interface developed in Python to control the joystick. The left analog stick is used to control the pitch and roll angles, whereas the right analog stick is used to control the yaw angle and holds its value, and can be reset by pressing the stick. The D-pad or the hat buttons are used to control the pitch and roll trims, and can be reset by pressing the left analog stick. The Z-axis analog controls are used to increase and decrease the throttles respectively. The A button is used to arm the drone, and the Y button is used to toggle the altitude hold feature. To close the program, or in case of emergency, either the start or the select button can be pressed.
Let's go back.